designed for, which is also kind of cool. And of course, you have the Stockris boxes over there, which are just basically mainboards where you can plug whichever memory card you want, whichever OS, whichever hardware, and the OpenMoko FreeRunner, which is an open phone, meaning we can know exactly how it's designed because it was done from scratch by the open source community. The last restrictions are with the GSM, GPS, and 3D chips because of legal issues mostly. But it's getting solved as we speak, and we are an official VAR in France. We sell the OpenMoko for businesses and regular customers like you maybe. And you can also find it in Germany and Belgium, in the whole world. It's thousands of models have been sold already. So about the OpenMoko, there are some issues and some really cool stuff as well. The community is very active. Sadly, the work is a bit fragmented. There are many different distributions over there, many different environments to choose from. A good thing is that it's mostly patent-free hardware because they did it from scratch. But on the other side, there are still some annoying bugs. It's not a 100% functional phone yet. We have some hardware issues with GSM, such as Echo, but there are some tweaks, and we're working on it to try to make it usable every day now. And the biggest, coolest thing with the OpenMoko is that you can actually customize everything. You can flash whichever operating system you want. You can boot from the memory card slot, but you're on your own. Except we have our own system here to help you out. So it's based on Debian. That was a really cool how-to, and people were able to hack Debian and boot it within days on the OpenMoko. So we just basically installed it on a tarball, on a SD card, sorry, packaged it in a tarball, and you can download it, uncompress it on a micro SD card, boot it up on the OpenMoko. It just works. And we included a full development environment, so you can compile natively applications directly. It's quite fast. It's becoming more and more like a regular computer. 400 megahertz CPU, 64 megs of RAM. So it's getting really interesting to develop on such devices, even over SSH from your USB port. And it's much easier than installing a cross-compiling toolchain. So Hackable One is not just about OpenMoko FreeRunner, it's also about hackable devices. And we want to decline the distribution for different purposes in hardware. So, for example, already on the OpenMoko it has a GPS chip, and some people out there may just want to use it as a GPS. And so the cool thing is that we want to decline the distribution so that we can automatically build software images, flashable images, which are directly booting the GPS in 30 seconds and doing just that. So it's really easy to install and use. And we also use this for business purposes now and trying to promote this business model. And so it's much easier to get started than with Open Embedded and Scratchbox environments, which are quite painful to set up and bootstrap. We are opening the development process, so you can all join. What we publish is what we use. We hang out on IRC on Hackable One on the Freenode network. You're all welcome to join the track, which has a wiki, bug reporting system. The official website is on www.hackableone.org, and I will try to improvise a workshop either tomorrow or in 2 days. So feel free to contact me, send me an email on Hackable One, corben@hackableone.org, KHORBEN. I can write this down here. And I hope you will join, like it, order OpenMokos, and share the fun. Thanks.
So we have one more talk today by Anselm. Where is he, by the way? Anselm Garbe, Suckless.org. He's not here? That would be too bad. Is there anyone else in the room who was giving a short talk there?
Wir haben hier Technik, dass man sie benutzt. Sorry.
Okay, let's switch to the thing that's already on. So, if Anselm is not here in the room right now, actually we are short of one talk. So what about it? Mario, you still had one, right? More on LXDE? What about more on the stuff that you were going to talk about today? You haven't? No. Anyway, so that would conclude actually today's talks. Pretty early, but I guess that gives you some more time for input and output. Please give us some feedback on the IRC via email to the address that was just about here. Oh, it's right there now. Okay, so this would be 25C3@lightningtalks.de. We would appreciate your feedback there, and we hope to see you tomorrow at the same time, 11:30 here in room 2. And a reminder, there's another session tomorrow evening in Saal 3 at 8:30. Thank you. See you and enjoy the show.